Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and technology. Today, we're diving into the world of document scanning with what we believe is the best portable document scanner on the market. The Epson Workforce ES-580W Wireless Color Duplex Desktop Document Scanner.
If you're like me and you find yourself drowning in a sea of paperwork, then this scanner is about to become your new best friend. Let's start by highlighting some of the key features that make the Epson ES-580W stand out from the competition.
First off, wireless connectivity.
Gone are the days of being tethered to your computer. With the ES-580W, you can easily scan directly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, all without any pesky cables getting in your way. And check out this intuitive 4.3-inch touchscreen. It makes navigating through your scanning options a breeze, whether you're scanning to your favorite cloud storage service or creating searchable PDFs with optical character recognition.
Now, let's talk about speed and efficiency.
The ES-580W features a robust 100-sheet auto document feeder, allowing you to quickly scan through stacks of paper without breaking a sweat. And thanks to single-step technology, you can scan both sides of a document in just one pass, saving you valuable time and energy.
But perhaps my favorite thing about this scanner is its versatility. Whether you're scanning receipts, business cards, or legal documents, the ES-580W can handle it all with ease. So there you have it, folks. The Epson Workforce ES-580W Wireless Color Duplex Desktop Document Scanner.
It's fast, it's efficient, and it's about to revolutionize the way you tackle paperwork.
Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews just like this one.
Until next time, happy scanning!